Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can post affiliate links on Twitter. I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that, the best practices. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'm going to tell you all about that because it's a great way that you can start for free and make passive income online, leveraging usually social media. So it's just doing some simple tasks with your own spare time, and you can create a side hustle that will make you passive income while you sleep. If you want to learn how to do that, I'm going to show you right now. So first of all, I'm going to give you a very quick overview about what affiliate marketing is. Basically, there are a bunch of online businesses and online services that you can promote their product, and if you send traffic to their website and somebody buys something or uses a premium version of their service, you will get paid a commission. So right here is a list of some different tools that I'm currently promoting and having some success with. So here's a little bit of an example. Here is a online video creation tool called Pictory that I've been promoting via social media. And this is in US dollars. You can see that over the past few months, I've been promoting this by making some tutorial videos. I've been doing some TikToks, some stuff on Twitter, and I've made some quite good passive income. So in Australian dollars, that was about $1,200 for that month. And then I'm getting another, what would be about 600 Australian dollars currently pending. So I basically was just driving traffic to their product. And when you sign up to a program, it will tell you the commission that you're going to get, and they will give you a link. So normally you will get a link here, and this is the link that you will send traffic to, and this is just to the landing page of their website. So if I visit this link, this will just be the normal front page of their website. So I've actually been creating a list, and it's not quite finished yet, but it will be by the time I finish this video, of all the tools that I am currently promoting, with links where you can sign up, and all you need to do is go down to the bottom of the screen and find the affiliates link. So let's say you want to join up as a affiliate for Pictory, you can just go right down to the bottom, and you'll find usually something like referral partner program or affiliate program. Here it says affiliate partner program, and then you can just simply sign up for free, and it will tell you all about the program and all the frequently asked questions and all that kind of thing. So basically, once you've signed up, so I'll give you a link to this. This is just a Google Doc showing you all the current ones that I'm doing in 2023 that I am having success with and driving traffic to via my YouTube channel and social media channels. So basically, if you want to take your affiliate link and start popping it on Twitter, which has been a way that I have made some commissions, I am going to show you how to do that in a simple and easy way. So first of all, you need to get your link, and this link that you normally get looks a bit messy. So if I go to Twitter and I say, here is a cool new video tool, you'll see that if I just post that link there, it looks a bit messy, and people are a bit less likely to, it takes up a lot of your tweet space as well. And while technically once I post this will work, there's a much better way to do it. So you use something called Bitly, which is a URL shortener, so bitly.com. I'll leave a link to this as well. So basically what you do is you just create a new link. So create new and link. You post your affiliate link in there, and then you can give it a custom back end so it looks kind of nice. So I can go Pictory AI tool. Let's see. Sometimes, if it's already taken, it will tell you the Pictory tool. So you can just try different things until you find one. So there we go. That's one that hasn't been taken. So then when it'll turn green and say, yes, you can do that. So Bitly is free to sign up for. Just go create on the bottom right hand corner. And then I've got this cool little link that says Bitly, so bit.ly, the Pictory tool. And I can then create a tweet and pop that in the tweet. What I tend to do is use ChatGPT. So I'm saying to come up with ideas, write me a tweet, write me 3 tweets to promote Pictory.ai in exciting words. So ChatGPT is going to give me some ideas here. So it's got some cool emojis and things. Let's just take this top one, and I'm going to go to my Twitter, and I'm going to start afresh with a tweet, and I'm just going to go, ready to unleash your creativity, discover the power of AI with Pictory AI, and transform your photos into stunning works of art. So that's not quite right. Transform your text into videos. And then what I can do then is grab that bit.ly there, and I can just pop that on the end. And then when I hit tweet, it should give me a clickable link for anyone who sees this tweet. So that really is the best practice. That looks really good of how you can pop your affiliate links onto Twitter and start promoting other people's products so you can earn some commissions. The great thing about Bitly is it will give you analytics of how many people have actually clicked that link as well. So you can see analytics for all your links, and you can create up to 50 a month for free. So this is a fairly new Twitter account that I've created, and just simply tweeting in an account with not many followers is not really going to get you any commissions. So what you need to do is start building a following on Twitter, and there are two really simple, tried and true ways of doing that. The first is an old strategy, and it still works really well. If your niche is affiliate marketing or making money online, so I'm just going to type in affiliate marketing, or you can do a hashtag affiliate marketing. Let's do hashtag affiliate marketing. You can go and find some big accounts that are to do with affiliate marketing. So here's one called Bruce, the e-commerce life. And then you can simply go into their followers and start following a few of their followers. This is an old method, but you know that some of these people will follow you back, or they might even look at your profile. And you know these people are already interested in affiliate marketing and making money online. And you can follow, 20 or 30 a day. And then, at some point you can unfollow these people if you like, or you can keep following the ones that you find interesting. The other way to do it is you can actually search for, so I'm going to go affiliate marketing again because that's my niche. You can do it for any niche. And what you want to do is find some latest tweets, some really fresh tweets. So this is only 7 seconds ago. And then you can just be genuine here and start adding some comments on some of these latest tweets. And, if you check how many followers the person has. So this person here has 12,000 followers, and this tweet is fairly new and doesn't have any comments on it. So you can just start being, hi, I am new to affiliate marketing, just followed your account. Thanks for the info. So you can just start sort of commenting and engaging a little bit with people in your niche and in your industry. And then you will start to build up your own following. You can even, and then sometimes, when you're just scrolling just for fun. So if you just have some spare time to kill, and you can find some of these tweets that are going viral, and you can just start commenting on these and following these people. See, this person's got something in the industry, so I'm going to follow them. So that's basically it. You can go find a list of all the good reoccurring affiliate marketing programs on this link, which I'll leave for you. You can sign up to these and get your affiliate link, shorten them with the bit.ly. Then you can use ChatGPT to come up with some good tweet ideas and just start doing some tweets and referring people to these products. And you'll never know what happens. Sometimes I will put a YouTube video out or a tweet out, and overnight I've made 1 or 2 signups. And that's, $20 or $30 a month added to my passive income. So it's a really good way of leveraging free social media and just your time and turn that into passive income. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for all my future content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.